The ST series are a line of highly efficient PA-style speakers that were designed by the engineers at KICKER in-house. Their purpose is to be loud enough to cut through the incredible amount of bass produced by competition-level SPL vehicles and demo vehicles, while still sounding great. The ST7MR and ST9MR mid-range speakers come in a square shape for a couple of different reasons. The square cone gives the speaker the advantage of approximately 20% increased cone area compared to a round speaker of the same size, which means they'll be louder than a round counterpart. It also allows you to take full advantage of your available space when mounting the speakers, so that there is no wasted corner space in between them. The speakers utilize a lightweight pressed pulped cone and a treated cloth accordion-style surround for maximum efficiency. These speakers have a sensitivity rating of 92 dB at 1 watt per meter and 94 dB at 1 watt per meter respectively, and work best with anywhere from 50 watts RMS minimum up to 250 watts RMS on the 7 and up to 300 watts RMS on the 9. The spring-loaded terminals accept up to 12-gauge wire so that you can reliably deliver that power to the speakers. The ST3TW and ST4TW bullet tweeters are extremely efficient horn-reinforced aluminum diaphragm tweeters. They come in 1-inch and 1.5-inch sizes and have a sensitivity rating of 106 dB at 1 watt per meter and 108 dB 1 watt per meter respectively, and work best with anywhere from 15 watts RMS up to 50 watts RMS. The tweeters also have spring terminals that can accept up to 16-gauge wire for proper power delivery. Included in the packaging is an 8-ohm 10-watt resistor to help reduce the output of the tweeter if necessary, and a 4.7 microfarad 250-volt cap to apply a 6 dB crossover to give the tweeter some protection. If you manage to blow one of these tweeters in the lanes despite the provided protection, the voice coil assembly is quickly field replaceable. They do have a couple of different mounting and trim options available. You can either flush mount the tweeters with the square or round trim bezel to complete the look you've chosen to go with. For more information, check out our website at kicker.com or contact our tech support line for more assistance.